Okay, so this is part 2 of the video. Now that we have Codeblocks installed, let's go ahead and create our first project. So I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to pick a console application, and you're going to click on Go. Then you're going to want to welcome to your new console application. Great. Hit Next. We want to make the language C++. Click Next. And we give this a title, so Test for Class. That's all I'm going to call it for this project. And you could create a directory right here. You could choose a directory. I'm going to leave it at desktop in my case. Click Next. We're going to use the GNU GCC compiler. Now, when you first started the program, it may have auto-detected this, and that's great. But if it didn't, I'm going to go ahead and show you how it needs to be done. So it's set on default in the GCC compiler. That's fantastic. Hit Finish. You'll notice that under sources here, if you double click it, it now made a default C++ code for you to run, and that's fantastic. And now that we can run it, I'm going to build it, and it shows that it's building it here, no issues, and it ran it. Hello world. So that's fantastic. Now, if it didn't run, in my case too, I actually had some kind of error that popped up when I first put this in. If you do have that and you downloaded the correct package, I would recommend you go to Settings, then Compiler, and this should still say GNU GCC Compiler. Go to the toolchain executables. Now right here, when I wasn't working, this path right here just said C colon backslash min GW. That's where it said. But that's not where all of these files were. They were in program files x86, Codeblocks, min.gw. So this may have not actually auto-populated correctly. So what you could do is go click on auto detect, and when you click on auto detect, it should put the correct path in there, and then once it does, you can hit OK. If not, you would actually have to type this in manually. But most 9 times out of 10, auto detect would work. It'll find the path, and then you can click OK. So that's a one way that if you had an issue with that'll solve it, and then it should run the way in my demonstration. Hopefully this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.